Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and versions right. Charge the motion controller and FPV aircraft to at least 50%, then power on the drone followed by the goggles, and finally the controller so they initialize in sequence. Once done, check firmware compatibility in DJI Fly or DJI Assistant. Mismatched versions block pairing. Make sure the controller is in pairing mode. Hold the pairing button so devices can discover each other, and you can proceed to binding without repeated resets. Next, you perform the actual binding. Put the goggles into linking or remote control binding mode from the system menu, then press and hold the motion controller pairing button until its LED blinks rapidly. That indicates discoverable status. Watch the goggles screen. They will list available controllers. Select the motion controller entry and confirm the connection. While binding, keep the devices within 1 meter and avoid metal or Wi-Fi interference, so the handshake completes cleanly, and finally calibrate and verify before flight. You should calibrate the motion controller's gyros and sticks through the controller settings, then perform ground tests. Gently check throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll responses while props are off or removed. Make sure control surfaces and motor response match input directions. That assures safe flight. If something fails, restart goggles, drone, and controller, then rebind. If problems persist, update firmware on all units. Most connection issues resolve after a firmware sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.